You know? Let's open it up now. Let's open it up. Okay. Let's open it up. Gingerbread House Kit. Okay. Put the icing. All this out. Okay. Make the icing. So this is how I set up for my gingerbread house activity. I have everything in here is included in our kit. So it comes with the trees. I put all these little candies in little cupcake cases, so you don't really need to. That I find is always the best. And you can prepare it all in advance. My icing that I just added water in, just put it in a little Christmas mug, which adds a little bit of fun. Yep, are you ready? Don't you love how he's checking out all his goodies? These on a tray first. The stuff that they need on first, which is this. But I don't put the candies on until they really need it, or else. Yeah. Okay, let's start making the house.
Let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing?
So, Grandma told me this idea.
So my son, Jamie, thought of the coolest idea to fill his house with oodles of treats. Yes, Jamie, it's a full house.
That's sweetie.
Together?
With the roof. We have to do the roof.
Are you ready for this?
Yeah.
Good at it. Excellente. Excellente. Wow, guys. Wow, guys.